How to buy crypto with Bunq. Follow my instructions. If you have a Bunq account, you can use it to buy cryptocurrencies quickly. Bunq partners with crypto platforms so you can make purchases directly from your account. Here's how to get started step by step. First, open the Bunq app on your phone. Log in using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once inside, go to the Explore or Marketplace section in the menu. Look for the crypto purchase option or supported partners. Tap to connect your Bunq account to the crypto provider. You may need to complete a quick identity verification before buying. After that, choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy in euros or the crypto's value. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming. The funds will be deducted from your Bunq account instantly. You'll receive the purchased crypto in your connected crypto wallet or provider's account. Check your transaction history in the Bunq app to confirm the payment. If you can't find the crypto option, make sure your Bunq app is updated. And remember, crypto prices can be volatile, so invest wisely. That's how to buy crypto using Bunq. Thanks for watching.